This drink is really good. Oh my gosh. You gotta keep your pinkies up. Pinkies high. Pinky! Pinky! Before we get into this video, look, I didn't have time today, okay? My hair is how it is. Isn't a messy, weird looking slick bun. I don't care, but you know what? It was my lazy day, okay? I give it to you. It was a lazy day. So, what's poppin'? What's droppin'? Alicia World gang. So today, I thought I should do a video. It's kind of late, and so I was like, you know, I want to do a video. So I'm doing some advice things for new YouTubers that's like me, that's just starting out. So I'm gonna just jump right into it, and let's get to number one. So for number one, I just basically have a nice mindset, and what I mean by that is, like, I always say this. So I know a lot of other YouTubers say this too, but we always say, don't think that you are gonna have like 100 subscribers overnight or 1,000 subscribers in like a month. Like, it's not gonna happen like that. If it do, then cool, but if it don't get discouraged and don't quit, because it's not worth it. You know that if you put time into what you do, it's gonna have a good outcome. And just make sure that you give it time and then motivation. Make sure you motivate yourself to keep going, because that's all it's gonna work. You have to motivate yourself to say, okay, I'm gonna get a video out today and tomorrow and whatever. Just, you have to motivate yourself. So number two, and I just started thinking about this too. So number two is, make sure that you plan out what you want your channel to be about. So when I mean this, I mean, like, make sure you think prior to when you get your channel going. Just think about, what do you want your channel to be about? Like, think about, is it entertainment? Is it gaming? Is it a food channel? Like, if you want a mukbang, I don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna do one of those. But if you want one of those on your channel, you have to think about that. You know, you don't want your channel to be going all over the place. I know mine is kind of all over the place because that's how I am. I do a whole bunch of stuff. So my channel is for a bunch of everybody, you know. I'm gonna try to get a bunch of different videos out, but that's what my channel is about. But anyways, this is for y'all. So let me get back to you guys. So number three is, make sure that you notice who you want your audience to be. So make sure you notice that, like, for me, you know, I try to get videos out for young kids and teenagers. If, you know, you want to make sure that you have good content for whoever you think is watching. So, you know, if you're a gamer, I feel like gaming, it goes a lot of ways. Young kids game, teenagers game, I said gang, even like older adults game. So like, gaming is really for everybody. So you just gotta make sure you figure out what your channel's about and who's your audience. Number four is to upload consistently. Make sure you are constantly uploading. I'm not saying give videos out every day, because I don't do that. I don't give videos out every single day. I might have videos out like 2 days, like I might do one today and I might do one tomorrow. But I'm not saying you have to upload every day. If you want to, cool, do it. I'm not saying nothing. Do it. But I'm just saying, like, make sure you have a lot of videos out, because when you stop doing videos, like when you stop doing videos for a little while, people who were going to come to your channel and subscribe, because they might say, oh, that last video was cool, I can't wait for the next one. And then maybe they'll subscribe. But if you don't do the next one, they're going to be like, where they at? I don't know where they at. So you just want to make sure that you have that constant flow going with your videos. Number five is to make sure, so I'm going to just go over this. So basically, right now I am recording with my Sony camera. It's a vlogging camera. It's a DSC HX80. So it's a vlogging camera, and I've been using this really the whole time I've been doing videos, except for my intro video, I believe. I think it was about 2 or 3 videos that I used my phone with. So if you're a new YouTuber and you do not have a camera, don't worry. If you have a phone, like, that will work at that. Because I started out with my Android phone, then I got my iPhone, so it was better when I had an iPhone because I had better quality video. But I mean, you know, if you have Android, if you have something, use it. I mean, at least you're getting stuff out there, so make sure you use it. I feel like my vlogger camera, I'm gonna have the link down below, probably like where you can get it from, because it's actually cheap than like I've seen like other cameras. They go like they be expensive. This one was only $399, which while I was looking online, it's probably like the cheapest one, and you can get it from Best Buy, I believe Walmart, so it's really everywhere. But like I said, if you cannot get a camera, don't worry. We're at number 5. Number 6, one thing that I use is trending. What's trending on YouTube? If you go on what's trending, man, they have a bunch of videos that are trending. You can react to them, you can make parodies to them, you can do so much with that. And I'm not saying go copy, but you know, if you want to react to them, go ahead. It actually gets you a lot of views. But looking back at my videos, a lot of things that get views is how-tos. So maybe you guys, if you just starting, like try to start out with a how-to, because I mean they get a lot of views and mine did. So I was just like, wow. Besides that, like, just be focused on your YouTube channel. And don't give up, don't quit, none of that, because it's gonna come. And if you want, like, I'm trying to figure out what other videos I could probably do for y'all about like helping y'all. Just give me some ideas. If you need how to edit a video, drop that down below. If you need YouTube video ideas, I can do that. But just, I'm not gonna do it if y'all don't tell me. So just make sure you have those down in the comments. Make sure we stay with hashtag Alicia's World, hashtag what's poppin', what's droppin'. And yeah, that's about it. So we already, you know, went over the basics, and that's about it. So I'm gonna let you guys go and have a good day, have a good night. And yeah, so that's about it. Peace.